Happy Saturday. Hope everyone's having a good time. First thing I want to start off by saying is, first I want to thank you guys for all your support. With everything I'm going through and your kind words. I think I'm turning a corner on things, and I think I'm realizing it's meant to, it's for the best. I'm always going to love her, and I want her to be happy. I want her, to have the best as well, and so I just wanted to say thank you for that. Also want to just say thank you for all the other wonderful words you guys say about my stock picks, and the things you say sometimes are just unreal. I don't know if I'm worthy of all that, and also, I want to say thanks because you guys have kind of given me, you absolutely have given me a feeling of like I found a place on this planet where I can make a difference. And because of that, it brings me so much joy. So I feel like I should be thanking you guys, not thanking me. So you really don't need to thank me, guys. But I love it and appreciate it. And I try to read all of them. My thing's getting a little bigger, but I do try to read and try to comment as many as I can. I apologize. Please don't think I'm being rude if I don't get back to you. But thank you for that. And so I just wanted to start out by saying that. So now let's just move over to the stock market. I'm deciding to switch things up a little bit. I'm going to, for now on, I think for the foreseeable future. First, let me say I'm going to stay on Twitter. I know some people want me to get a Discord and Telegram. Right now, I think it could be a little too confusing, a little hectic. I maybe will explore that down the road a bit. I've got some other ideas, possibly. Anyway, let me get on to the stocks because I only got about 10 minutes before my video runs out. So let me say first with the stock market, okay? Going forward, I'm gonna try and switch it up. Been hearing from people that they think some big groups are following me. I don't know if that's true. I don't have any facts on that, but they say a lot of these groups are dropping my picks after I drop them. They're day trading them, okay? Now I don't have a problem with people day trading at all, I don't have a problem with that. So what I think I want to do is set up 2 ways to go about this. So I'm going to do 2 picks a day. And first, just let me say too, I'm not a financial advisor. So don't, please, if you do anything, if you follow me in any way, please make it your own decision. Don't take my advice. Make sure it's your decision to get in that pick, okay? I know a lot of people love day trading. They like the excitement. They like the runners. So, and it seems a lot of them are following me now. So these picks that I'm giving, they're shooting up, or they have been. They haven't the last couple of days, but they shoot up. They did shoot up, but not like they normally do. They shoot up. So you gotta be careful. I don't want anyone holding bags. So what I'm gonna do is this. So I'm gonna do two picks a day. Okay, and sometimes it'll just be one if I see that one pick as both. But I'm gonna do one that's a day trade, and I'm gonna be clear about it. I'm gonna say it's a day trade. I'm gonna try to get it to you as early as possible, but definitely before 10 a.m. I'll try if I see something. I'm not gonna force anything. And then after that, I'll take my time and find a nice pink. The first one, the runner, it could be a stop sign, it could be a pink, but I'm going to specify, guys, use caution, extreme caution. I'm not telling anyone what to do or to get into that. But anyway, I'm going to drop a runner that I think has a lot of room to run, good pick that can really get up there. I think I had like 4 in the last week and a half that went over 1,000%. So I'm always looking for those. I know a lot of you guys want me to speculate how far it'll go. So I'll try and accommodate that. As well, but like I said, I just want people to be careful because I don't want anyone to get stuck holding a bag in something that might be a stop sign or something like that. So you gotta use your own judgment. It happens, and I always like to say that if you're going to do that, and I think a couple people have voiced that, re-said what I said. Usually you could lose a couple in a row, cut your losses, And then once I get a good one, you could get it all back, and, and then some. But again, I'm not telling anyone what to do or say. I think I'm due. It's been like 3 days, and I haven't really had a massive runner. So I think I am due coming up. But now going forward, I think this will also help for the day trades. So what I'll do is I'll do the first one early as possible, and I'll take my time and find a nice pink stock that I think is a good hold. Now, this is how the market's going. That's why I'm thinking the market right now is set up for day trading the way it is, because all these wonderful, beautiful picks are bleeding. So the long holders are getting bled, their accounts getting lower, and it's not fun. So like take SAMP. You guys asked me about that. That was a pick that I gave at trip 2. It was like 0.0002. It actually ended up hitting over almost 2.5 cents. So that was, not bragging, but that was a 150 bagger right there. But then it pulls back, and now it's just over a half a penny. So stocks like that are amazing, but you don't know how long this bleeding is going to go on. Like take Arton, another one I love. And I kind of regret, given forecasts on where I thought this was going to go. I didn't hit that, obviously. I pray you guys can forget, will be kind and let me off the hook on that running thing. Or maybe I'll do like a tattoo or something and make it up to you or something, an alternative. But, if you guys want me to, try and accommodate that as well. But I pray you let me off the hook and give me a break on that one. Last thing I need to do is be, get in trouble for doing something like that. So, if you guys could cut me a break, that would be wonderful. But I do believe I love all these stocks, and in my opinion, I think they will all eventually get there. There's other people out there that believe it'll hit where I think it will. There's groups on it and stuff like that. But right now, it's scary because everything's bleeding down. So I think the strategy going forward for people that want to make some quick money, and I'm not telling anyone what to do, but that first runner might be for you. But again, guys, I don't want credit if it hits 12, 13, 1400%, and I would appreciate not having the negativity if it doesn't. You know what I mean? So this is just play at your own risk, okay? I like that old song, play at your own risk. And I'm happy to give these to these guys. There's, it's a living. People make a living day trading. It's fun. People find it very exciting. But you got to take responsibility because you could get stuck holding a bag, okay? So that's all I'm trying to say. So I'll give you the one there, and then for the newbies or the more cautious people that want just a longer term investment, and again, I'm not telling anyone what to do or saying I'm giving this for you. Let me reword that. In other words, if I'll find a secondary pick that I think will be a good long hold, okay? So that's it. I got about 2 minutes left. I want to just say too, guys, I know I get asked a lot to explain my techniques and all these things. And I want to say I appreciate that, and I'm going to try to do something, but it's not something that I could do in like one video. As an example, and I'm not comparing myself to this or in any way, but like it's like any profession. It's like if I said to an accountant, and I'm not upset that you guys are asking it in one video, but I'm just trying to explain it's not something I could do in one video. It's kind of like something like any profession. Like if I asked an accountant or a brain surgeon or, a lawyer, can you explain to me in one video how you do brain surgery? And I'm not comparing myself to a brain surgeon in any way, okay? Nor do I, or a lawyer or any of that. I'm on the lowest totem pole, okay? I'm a very uneducated person, okay? So I'm not comparing myself, but I'm just trying to make a point. It's not always, I can't put it all in one video. It'd have to be, so maybe I could do a beginner, what I look for. There's a lot that goes into it. I study a lot of these stocks, so I already know ahead of time what I'm looking at, and I know what the stock's a little bit about, and then I look for some news. I look for the pinks. There's also a huge psychological aspect to all this that you have to consider. There's a lot of different compartments that weigh what I think is going to be a good